Dual extrusion has seen many variations over the years, but the independent dual extruder system is arguably one of the best. Pioneered by BCN, the IDEX system allows you to print multiple colors, multiple materials, and soluble supports just like other systems, but it doesn't stop there. The two independent extruders enable you to print two of the same part or two mirrored designs at the same time. Let's take a look at the IDEX system and BCN's new Sigma D25 in this Dynamism tech session. In the IDEX system, two extruders are driven on the x-axis by independent stepper motors, enabling you to print in duplication mode, mirror mode, and also allowing your extruders to get off the build volume completely when not in use. When ready, a wiper pad scrapes off any oozing material, ensuring that those stray pieces of filament or soluble support don't work their way into the layers of your other material. All of this is combined in a massive build volume, enabling you to print large single parts or use duplication mode for production and create multiple parts in half the time. Diving a bit deeper, the D25 features Bondtech extruders, E3D hot ends, swappable nozzles, and filament runout sensors to deliver a reliable, high-quality 3D printing experience. On setup, a multilingual 5-inch touchscreen walks you through the entire setup process from loading filament to calibrating the printer. This is going to ensure a perfect bed adhesion and alignment across both extruders every time you go to print. Lastly, the D25 is equipped with wireless connectivity for cloud integration. Easily send your files to the printer or install the latest firmware directly from your desk. Get more information about the Sigma D25 and order yours today at Dynamism.com, your source for professional 3D printing solutions.